Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. For those who can't have coffee, but really want it. Breaking the rules. Dreaming of a cup of aromatic coffee, but its use is categorically contraindicated for you? There are a few simple things that can help you neutralize its negative effects on your body. 1. Black pepper. This spice does not have a strong effect on the entire digestive system, removes most of the toxins from the body, improves the metabolic process, stimulates the stomach and is an effective antiseptic. Just add 1-2 peas to the hot drink and let it brew. 2. Cardamom. It has a calming effect, while at the same time strengthens the walls of the stomach. It is recommended to add cardamom boxes or fresh powder to coffee. This gives coffee a special unique aroma due to the action of essential oils. 3. Cloves. It stimulates blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. Essential oils of clove give coffee aroma and help reduce the negative effects of caffeine. Add 1 clove to the hot coffee and let it brew. 4. Cinnamon. Reduces the acidifying effect of coffee on the body. When preparing coffee, you can add cinnamon powder or a whole stick by simply dipping it into hot coffee. 5. Ginger. It perfectly calms your nervous system, relieves pain and spasms, and stimulates the intestines. It is best to add a little ginger powder or a small chunk while still brewing. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.